Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a program that will open files using Notepad. So first off, I've created a path to my desktop because that's where the files are. So my scalar path, and I've got C users desktop. Now that's the file to my desktop. Your desktop file will be different, and of course this is in Windows. I've put the chdir here to path, change directory to this path above. I've created a subroutine called open file. I'm going to print out a message to the user telling the user what to do. Enter file name. Right, I'm going to use chomp here for the new line and create a scalar variable called my scalar file name. I'm going to assign it to standard input so we can grab the input that the user types in. Okay, now we're going to come on to the if conditional to evaluate it. So if, I'm going to use this flag here, E exists, file name. So if the file name that we typed into the input box exists on the desktop, we're going to do something. First of all, we're going to print a message to the user. Opening file. That's the message that the user will see, and a new line there. Opening file. We're going to give it a little pause for 1 second to give it the impression it's working. Then we're going to use system here to open it. We simply type in start and then the scalar file name. Or else, if that's not the case, we're going to, if the file doesn't exist, we're going to tell the user that by printing them a message. We're going to interpolate the file name into it. Doesn't exist. New line. Okay, now all we have to do is call the program open file, and let's run this. Hang on, first of all I've got a couple of files on the desktop. Let's have a look. So I've got x.txt and I've got am.docx. So let's just run this. Okay, so we're going to do x.txt. Okay, doesn't exist. Why doesn't it exist? Okay, let's try am. Let's try another one. Let's do this. That's going to be v.txt. Hello world. Save it. Show me desktop. Yeah, okay, let's run it. v.txt. Opening file. There we go. There must have been a problem with the other file. I think I corrupted it or something like that. So that's that one. That's the text file. Let's go for the docx file here. Am. Okay. Let's run that. Get a little bit bigger. It's going to be called am.docx. Docx doesn't exist. Make sure got the right file extension for that. Ah, it's .x. Okay. And whoops. X. Okay, there we go. And we're opening it in Word. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. It's red and white and it doesn't bite. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.